Hey guys, welcome back to the second video about our digital art class, where we're going to show you guys even more tools that the program that we work with, Pixler, can offer. But before we're going to start, I'm going to show you guys something that might be happening to you. So if you're using a different Chromebook than you used previously, you might end up seeing a page that looks something like this. Okay? In this page, you guys can see this says, "Hi there, you need Flash Player to run Pixel Editor." Okay, don't panic. It's pretty simple. Because you can see here, it says you'll need Flash Player to run Pixlr. To enable Flash, please click here. So click here, and here it's going to say allow or block. You want to allow it, and voila, you guys are on the same page like we were last time. So let's create a new image, hit OK, and we're in the same place like we were last time. Okay, so let's get to this. Last time I showed you guys how to play with the pencil, brush, eraser, and a paint bucket. Okay, today I want to show you guys how to play with some more tools, such as these guys over here. Okay, specifically this guy over here for shapes. Okay, so check this out. What we're going to do first is this. I'm going to click this drawing tool. Okay, and like we did last time, you guys can see that on top I have all those cool new tools and options available. Okay, so check this out. I can click one of those and I can see many different options. Let's say rectangle tool. Okay, I've clicked that, and now instead of drawing a straight line, I can press and hold and make a rectangle of any of my choice. Yay! I'll do a rectangle. It's all black. How can I change color, Mr. K? Well, let's do this. Go here. Let's pick a color you want. I'm gonna go with yellowish. Yeah, and hit OK. I'm gonna go to my paint bucket tool. Go into black. Now it's that color. Amazing, right? Okay, let's move on with that. Let's say again, I made a mistake. I don't want to work with that. Control Z. Step backwards. Step backwards again. Nice. Okay, so the drawing tool lets you do different types of stuff. Like that's a rectangle tool. That's up next over here. It's a ellipse tool, so I can draw circles. Okay, but I'm gonna click this, and what I'm gonna do also is this. I'm gonna click on this opposite part over here. It's max. Cool. Mode normal. Nice. Now, but here borderline. I'm gonna make it thicker. Let's say 30. Why not? Okay. Now check this out. Options, right? That's pretty cool. Okay. Now it looks like the picture, the NASA picture of the black hole. Yeah. Okay. But I want it. I'm gonna change this to. I'm gonna change this because I don't like this. So I'm gonna Control Z that. I don't need that. Okay. So those are the options for that. Now I want to show you also how to add some text. Okay. So check this out. First, I'm going to change the color. I'm going to go change the background color to, let's say more visible. Let's go for reddish. Okay. Go to the paint bucket. Super red. Okay. So now let's add some text. Okay. So over here, you guys see where the A is. Let's click that. Okay, and now you have an option to start your placer text. So I'm going to click here. And all of a sudden, your text box comes in. Okay, and I'm going to type in the best thing ever. Guess what? Potato. Now, Mr. K, nothing changes. Well, notice this. The color of the text is the same as the color of our background. Okay, so I'll change this to a complementary color. I'm going to go with blue. So I'm going to go here, Yeah, like a nicer blue, and hit OK. Now you guys can see the potato is way bigger. And now check this out. I can also grab this, so click and grab, and move this somewhere else so that it's now in my way. Okay, neat. So I can type more. Potato is the best. Pretty simple, right? It's an example, so let's not go over that. So now, let's go more. You guys can see clearly there's a font option. So you can click this, and all of a sudden, all those options pop in. Let's go with Arial Black. Okay? Now, also you have the size option. You guys can take this and check this out. What? Potato is the best. Make it the biggest. I'm gonna make it this big. Hit OK. Nice. But now, Mr. K, my text is just off the. It's horrible. Okay. So check this out. That's important. So over here, you guys see this? There's the move tool. Let's go over here. I'm gonna click this. Click on my potato and hold it and move it around whatever I want. Potato is the best. Awesome, right? So I can go back and forth with that, move it as much as I want to, and it's great. Again, but now let's say that you want to change this because your text, you just want to add more text, right? So go back to that text. So go back to the A option and click back on the potato. And you have every single thing back to normal. So you can add to this if you want to. So let's change that. Pancakes are super awesome. Wham. Same story. Okay, let's change the color to something more, maybe less horrible, to white. And here you have the option to make the text. Okay, and then I'll hit OK. And here we go. That's I showed you guys how to change the color, how to draw some shapes, and yeah, that's some great stuff. You can work with that stuff. Okay, so keep that in mind. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to add actual images to that. Okay, so stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you want to, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.